Hi there, I'm me, Elverson. I'm the founder of the Blog Academy, and I'm also your teacher in the ultimate crash course in video blogging. So if you're running your own business, you probably know that you need to show up on video. If you want to grow your social media following, get more customers, earn more money, and work on a more flexible basis, online video is the most powerful tool you can make use of. And it's also the quickest way to position yourself as a go-to expert in your field. But where do you start? Going on video can be quite daunting if you haven't done it before. And it's not just the scary camera to get used to, it's also the techie stuff and finding regular, relevant and engaging content to share, and then getting your video seen once it's been finished. The crash course will get you off to a flying start. You learn everything from what equipment you need to how to set it all up, where to look, how long to talk, what to say, how to say it, and then when you finish your video, how to optimize it so people actually get to see it. So if you're ready to get vlogging, there is no better time than now. So just sign up to the crash course and I'll see you online.